In this video, I'm going to show you how to export CapCut video to YouTube. So for us to get this done, I'm just going to export this particular CapCut video that I have here. To do that, you can go ahead and tap the export button here at the top and it's going to do its job. Once you are here, you should be able to see YouTube in here. So I want you to go ahead and just click that and then you should be redirected to YouTube. So from this point forward, you can go ahead and trim this or adjust which part of the video you want to include. But say for example, this is everything. I'm going to go ahead and tap the next one here, and then you can go ahead and add text, filters, voiceovers, and even stickers if you want to. So yeah, once you're done, just go ahead and tap the next button in here, and what you're going to do is just add the necessary details. For example, if this is for short, you're going to go ahead and put some caption in there. So I'm just going to go ahead and try to put all of these here, but yeah, you can definitely add your own. So say for example, at the first part here, I'm going to go ahead and type countryside. There you go. So now that I've added it, we're going to go down here. So visibility, make sure it's public. Location, this is optional, but you can definitely do this one. Now select audience, you can click this one, and then I'm gonna choose no, it's not made for kids. Then down below, you should be able to see different options here, but you can definitely skip those. I'm gonna click upload short, and it's just going to upload that video for me. You should be able to see it in here. And there you go. So now that we have uploaded it, congratulations everyone. That's how it's done. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps you out.